Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, sometimes IELTS gives you surprises. Imagine when you get your IELTS result and you get reasonable bench score in 3 modules, and when you take a look at your writing band and you see a 5 over there. At that time you are like this. You start thinking, what happened? My writing is not that bad that they gave me only 5 band. It could be like 5.5 to 6. Most of the students in that case, they prepare for IELTS and they reappear in full test because they don't know that there is one lifeline which they can use, and that lifeline is called EOR, Inquiry on Results. What is inquiry on results? When you are unhappy with your writing or speaking result and you want a senior examiner to re-evaluate you, then you go for EOR. Unfortunately, EOR has got its fee. It's 50% of your total IELTS fee. So whatever IELTS fee is in your country, 50% of that is EOR fee. If after EOR your bench score changes, you get your money back. And if after EOR the bench score remains same, your money is gone. But the outcome of EOR cannot be like, that your bench score decreases. No, it will either remain same or it's going to increase actually. So one of my students appeared in IELTS and got 5 band in writing, and then that student decided to reappear, decided to go for one option that is called EOR, and after EOR he got this EOR letter, and this EOR letter actually said the outcome of your remark is as follows. Writing, the band score awarded for this module changed from 5 to 6.5. I don't want to tell you about body, okay, which conducted this IELTS exam, but because that body is not responsible, it's the responsibility of Cambridge that they are conducting this test. So one examiner, one intelligent examiner gave 5 band in writing, and the senior examiner remarked that writing, and senior examiner gave 6.5. Now see, this is 5 and this is 6.5. So this is a proof that you are at the mercy of the examiner. Your writing score and your speaking score, these two scores are at the mercy of examiner. If examiner is senior and qualified examiner, then writing band score 6.5. And if the examiner is in a hurry or examiner doesn't pay attention to your writing that much, then the result is actually 5. This is very, very surprising. Even I have seen an EOR case where the band score increased from 5 band to 7 band. Now after this, you can see the overall band score here, right? Listening 7, reading 6, writing 6.5, speaking 8.5. Now guys, tell me one thing. Someone is capable of getting 8.5 in speaking and you are giving 5 band in writing. Speaking 8.5, writing band 5. How do you justify? I mean, 8.5 in speaking means someone can speak at the expert level. So if someone can speak at that level, means the person is qualified, because we learn to speak English from writing method. We learn to speak English from grammar, from this and that, because we are the non-native speakers. So 5 band and 8.5 band. So whenever there is a difference like this in speaking and writing band score, then you can apply EOR and the outcome will be positive. Again, I tell you, if the band score changes, you will get your money back. If the band score remains same, your money is gone, and the outcome of EOR will never decrease your band score. All the best guys, thank you so much. I also teach IELTS, PTE online and in campus. If you are interested, my WhatsApp number is given, and we also book IELTS exam for you in Pakistan. If you want to get your IELTS exam booked, you can contact us and we'll help you with that as well. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.